So today I'm talking about what you should expect from visiting your local bathroom showroom. So I don't know how other companies work, but this is just a rough overview on how we work here to give you that expectation when you visit your local showroom. So what you've done your Google searching, you've gone on Facebook, you've spoke to friends, you've been on Pinterest, so you've got that rough idea, so then you visit and walk through my showroom doors. So it's my job then to understand why you visited and what your purpose is of your new bathroom. You know, have you got a new extension going on? Is it just rip out the old one and update it and just make that sanctuary in your home? So what you'll do when you come to the shop, I'll walk you around my bathroom showroom, I'll go through the baths, the showers, the taps, just give you once again a little bit of an overview on what products are available and get an idea and a feel for the styles that you're looking for. And then what we need to do is we need to get you booked into the diary for stage 2 when I come to your house. Now this is me now visiting your home, getting a feel for the style of your home and understanding the purpose of the bathroom. Is it for a big family? Is it just for a couple? You know, and getting a feel for the styles you want. So I'm just going to take my measurement, take some notes, take lots of photos just so I can get a real big understanding so I can move on to stage 3 of my process, and that's coming back to the showroom, doing the designs and inviting you over. So you'll come over for stage 3, we'll look at the designs on the big screen, really get a feel for the design, and sometimes there could be 2 or 3 options because I can get very creative with my designs. So I like to just try and think outside the box and maximize every single inch within a bathroom. So we'll go through the design, you can get to visualize it, see how it feels for you, and then once we've done that, we can go through all the products, look at some the products I'd like to put in there, whether it's going to be a bath, a shower, the wall-hung toilets, back-to-wall toilets. There's so many variants of options. But once I've got a real good feel for what you like and you're happy with my design, we can move on to stage 4. Now that's where I do the pricing for you. Now with every design for every customer, I do 3 different options because there's such a variety of different product that you need to choose. There's different alternative toilets, there's different alternative showers, there's different alternate tiles, but I need to put this together in 3 different separate options so you've got choice. You need to see what your budget is and make sure this sits alongside what you are thinking on, what you'd like to achieve. Now we all know we never stick to our budget. We always go a little bit over, but it's still nice to have that guide and options on what is available. So then we get to the all crucial stage 5. It's decision time. You need to make that choice on what you want to do, and if you're happy to go ahead with your local showroom, you feel comfortable and you're happy with the design, the product and the showroom itself. So I hope that's a good overview on what you should expect when visiting your local showroom and helps you making that decision and getting your sanctuary and your new beautiful bathroom.